Welcome to Module 1, Introduction to Google Drive. What exactly is Google Drive and how can it help streamline your workflow? In this module, we'll introduce you to Google Drive and explore its main uses. We'll also cover the key differences between personal and shared drives. Google Drive is cloud storage for Google Workspace where you can store files securely and access them from anywhere, using any device. You can also use Google Drive to share files with your colleagues. Google Drive uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to enhance search results for quick access to important content. Any file can be stored in Google Drive. The actual amount of storage available to you will depend on the Workspace license, but it's useful to know that Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and drawing files do not count toward your Drive storage. Dozens of file types, such as PDFs and Microsoft Office files, can be previewed directly in Google Drive without installing any special software on your device. Drive also supports enormous files of up to 5 terabytes. Everyone with access to Google Drive will have a section labeled My Drive. My Drive represents content that you own, content that you have permission to access, and any shortcuts to both types of content. When content is created in My Drive, the creator owns the content. Owners can move files and folders, add collaborators with edit, comment, or view permission, share a link to a file or folder, delete content, and restore it from the trash. Also, files stored in My Drive inherit the permissions placed on the folder they are in. Google Drive also features shared drives. Selecting the Shared Drives label will show any file that you have permission to access. Creating and editing content in shared drives is identical to creating and editing content in My Drive. The main difference between My Drive and shared drives is content ownership. In My Drive, the creator owns the content, while in shared drives, the members of the shared drive own the content. Shared drives also have different roles for accessing and managing content. In addition to viewer and commenter, there are also managers, content managers, and contributors. Each role has specific abilities and permissions, which we'll explore later in the course. Google Drive can be accessed at drive.google.com on the web, or select the Apps launcher while in Gmail or another Google Workspace app and select the Drive icon to open it in a new tab. There are also mobile apps for Google Drive for Android and Apple devices. When you're in Google Drive, you can upload files and folders for storage, editing, and sharing, create new folders, and create files for Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms, Drawings, Sites, and Jams. If you haven't already done so, open your Google Drive in a new browser tab by visiting drive.google.com.